This is the one thing I love most about a Tesla. No, not that it's a black screen. It is that it seems like every week there's a software update. Never know what they do, but for at least 55 minutes, you can't drive. The car just shuts off. And the software updates. And it always seems to happen when I'm at a charger. You never know what you're getting. I know it said full self-driving update and some other stuff. You never know what you're getting, and it's okay. I like the surprises, and it's like every week my car is a new car. It just happens sometimes about 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm out trying to make money. I'm charging the car, trying to do my gig work, and then you have to sit for 55 minutes. Okay, well, it looks like the update is complete. What do we got here? Front airbag system enhancement, security improvements. So it's just front airbag. It said something about full self-driving too. Low power mode, minor updates. See, you never know what you're gonna get. Yeah, it's been pretty incredible having this car. I've never had anything like this. I mean, other than cell phones, because like when you first get your first cell phone, a new model comes out, and it's not all it can be. You have to wait for software updates, and then eventually it gets great. I mean, I don't know about great, but it gets way better than it was when you first purchased it. The car is pretty much the same way, except for you don't get when you get the cell phone cases and stuff like that, which is an aftermarket thing, obviously. You can design your cell phone and make it look the way you want it, which is, and it protects it. You can do the same thing with the car. Yeah, this thing has changed a lot, basically, since I first gotten it. I think the very first thing I ever got was these wheel covers right here from EV Base. They sent these to me. I just wanted to change the color, the look, because I was going for a Steamboat Willie look. You know Steamboat Willie. Oh, Mickey. I was going for that look. I wanted to kind of, everybody names their car or does something with their car, and I wanted that, since the car was already white and black, I just wanted to look, the wheels to look black too, because the car originally, it's like a silvery color in the rims. When EV Base reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to have these? They protect you when you curb your tire. I never really understood curbing tires. I do now because I drive my car a lot more, but when you're a truck driver, you just run over curbs. You don't even think about it. But in your car, you really don't want to. You don't want to do that. You don't want to bump into curbs at all, because it kind of makes your rim look all scratched up and nasty. And these things actually work. I mean, you never really curb, obviously. Well, I mean, not obviously, because I guess you could curb the passenger side, but I've actually curbed this wheel right here. Not that you can't. All you can tell is you can see right here, it actually protected it. Yeah, that broke off because I curbed it, but my rim is perfect. But yeah, these things really do save your tire and rim. And you know what? They look good. They look the part. Another thing, this car is a 2023. And here, this was just an air conditioner vent. That's all that was an air conditioner vent. Sits and it sits on top of the, where you lift this up and stuff like that, and you get your little cubby hole thingy. But Handshow sent me this amazing thing here. It's a full-on, it has full internet access. It It has fan things where the back passengers, people sitting in the back seat, can go ahead and control the temperature, the flow of the air, and everything else. You can control the seats. Like, I don't know if, let's see, so I can press like the passenger seat here. I can just slide it up, tilt it forward. You just, you know, and if you're in the back seat, you can control your own butt heat. It's pretty cool. You can watch Netflix. What do you got here? We got Google Chrome, got YouTube, the Play Store, music. If you got Bluetooth, people in the backseat have earbuds, they could slap them in. Got Netflix, Disney Plus. It's pretty awesome. Sometimes I wish I was a passenger, but I never am. Etsy could be your friend for any car, not just this car, but because I'm going for the Steamboat Willie theme, my girlfriend Steph, she went ahead and ordered me, you know, you have these cup holders here in the middle of your car, and they have these ceramic little things that you put in your cup holders, and she got me these Steamboat Willie little ceramic things that go in your cup holder. Kind of, I don't know if it's essential or anything, I don't know. Something that would be a little more absorbent would be cool, but let me take one of these out again. But this one here is like laminated, so it really doesn't absorb anything, but it just makes the car look cooler. You would hunt something like that down on Etsy. I don't know the cost. It was a present, but it was really cool. Now, after Hand Show sent me that screen back there, they asked if I would like other things for the car. And I said, well, what do you got? What do you got? They had this cool thing. All Teslas have a solid glass roof up here that just lets the sun beat in on you really hardcore. So for the longest time, I had these like sunshades that you put in your front windshield stuck up here. And they were fine, but you know, at nighttime you might want to see the moon and stuff like that. It's like, it's a pain in the butt to take down and up and down and up. But Hand Show, what they did is they created a voice activated thing, which the voice really doesn't work anymore, but it's a motorized. And like when I first got it, the first 2 weeks, it was working flawless. The button still works flawless, but now it just does this. Hello, TT.
I am here.
Open, sunshade.
Open.
If it would have opened, it would have been mind-blowing because it stopped working.
Stop.
It stopped working like...
Stop.
I can't say the S word, I guess. It does have this little button here, and I can just press it just as easy. And then it opens up to see the world. I wish that was above me. Why are sunsets and sunrises off in the distance instead directly above my head? Yeah, you can just open it all the way. I can close it. I thought there was a way to press it twice and it would just continue going.
Let me know if you need me.
Well, I needed you and you decided not to do what I asked you. Yeah, I'll leave links for for everything described in this video, for the sunroof, the screen, the tires, and stuff like that. But your car nowadays, at least, I had a Nissan Leaf. Steph has a Kia EV6, which those are both electric vehicles. And I have this car here. And each one of them could be just, you know, accessories galore. Cars nowadays, I don't know about gas cars because I haven't had a gas car, maybe 2012, 2010 was the last, maybe around 2010 I had a Mustang. But that was my last gas car I've ever owned. And I ended up giving that away to my stepson at the time. And yeah, I haven't had a gasoline car in a long time, or any car. Because I was a truck driver, right? Who needs a car? You got friends. They can give you rides whenever you come home. So I never found the need to actually have a car. Now that I actually have one, it from that point back in 2012 and prior, cars were just to get you around, you know, they were just cars. Now cars have become robotic, and you know, and this car's basically a robot. Here, let me show you. Got to be a little bit quiet. There is a truck driver sleeping over there. I know what it's like to sleep in parking lots. Oh, I know. Let's open this up, and I'll show you. These cars are basically robots now. Let's pick a short one. Okay, let's do that's 2 minutes. Let's pick this one. Confirm. Okay, let's head outside. Oh, before we do though, would you look at that light? That was also sent by Hand Show. Just modernizing it. Everything about these cars can be upgraded. I'm getting out of here. Gotta listen to the touchscreen. This is meant to be done at night. It's called light show. Light show in the daytime. Not the best thing, but you'll be able to kind of see what the car does. Okay. Here it goes. Windows go down. The show begins. Hopefully. Let's get behind the car. It's called light show for a reason. But it does more than just lights. The car moves, trunk opens, dances, the whole car does amazing stuff. It's things like this that make modern day cars amazing. Is getting bright. I need one of these electric shades for the window. Just have it suck back up in here and go back down. That'd be handy. That's what Hand Show, if you watch this video, or any other companies out there, make something like this that mounts here on your window, and I could just press another button and an electric sunshade that goes down instead of having to put this, you know, the little flippy things up. To make an electric window sunshade, not, you know, just like this one. This is like super handy. You park, you shut it. Get out of your car, do your shopping, come back in your car is still cool. I like that. Anyway, that was just a quick little video of some things that you can get for your car. There'll be affiliate links. I got affiliate links now. There'll be affiliate links in the description below. Check them out. And if you don't have a car like this one, but you have a regular car, I'm sure these manufacturers of these third-party products have things for your car too. I mean, and if you don't, I mean, there's got to be an electric, I just thought of that, an electric front window thing would just be amazing. They got to make that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I just wanted to kind of show off some of the stuff that you can get for your car, and just kind of compare the cars to modern day cell phones, because that's basically what they are nowadays. You know, the car drives by itself, has full self-driving. We can add all these accessories that are just snap on. I just snapped this on, basically. You know, 2 screws up front, but other than that, it was snap and play. The lights snap and play. This here, the screen snapped right into place. Didn't have to do anything else, nothing rigorous or anything. Even with my skill set, I was able to do all this stuff and make your car your own. If you're a gig worker, you spend a lot more time in your car than you do at home. Why not make the car comfortable? Until the next time, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you guys from down the road.